Hello children, how are you all? Welcome back to e-learning classes, and today we are going to continue with science lesson number 4, food from plants part 2. Yes, now before moving towards part 2, do you all remember what we did in part 1? Did you all read the lesson properly? Yes, okay, very good. Now I am going to ask you few questions. Will you answer them? Okay, come on. We are going to take the topic, name them. Now what do you do in name them? Yes, the question is given. You will read that question and according to that you are going to write 2 names. Yes, okay. Now in the parts of plant, which 2 vegetables you get from roots? Come on, tell me. 2 vegetables name that you get from roots. Okay, carrot and beetroot. Very good children. Now you all tell me 2 vegetables name which you get from flowers. Or you can say which flowers do you eat as vegetables? Okay, very good. Broccoli and cauliflower. Very good. Now come on, give me 2 names of vegetables which you get from leaves. Okay, cabbage and spinach. Very good children. This shows my children have done the lesson very attentively and nicely. Very good children. Now you give me 2 names of vegetables which you get from stem. Potato and ginger. Very good children. Okay, now you all have learned the lesson very nicely. Part 1 is clear to everyone, yes or no? Okay, so come on, let's move towards part 2. Let's see what's in part 2. Okay, first is cereals. Now do you know what is cereals, children? The grains that we get from plants are called cereals. Yes, the grains that we can eat are known as cereals. You see, rice, wheat, maize, barley and jowar. All these are cereals. These are grains. Okay. Now you must know what are grains and what are seeds. Now one easy trick to remember cereals I will give you is the grains from which we can make flour. Okay. You can have wheat flour, rice flour, maize flour, barley flour and jowar flour. Yes, the flour which we use to make chapatis, yes, that is called flour. Yes, these grains we grind very finely to make flour. Okay, the grains which we can convert it to flour and we can eat are called cereals. This is the easy trick I have given you to remember. Okay, come on, let's read. We get cereals from plants. Cereals are the grains that can be eaten. Rice, wheat, maize, barley and jowar are some of the cereals that we eat. Yes, here are few examples given. Yes, rice, wheat, maize, barley and jowar. These are grains. Okay. Next we will see pulses. Okay. Pulses. We get pulses from plants. Pulses are the seeds that can be eaten. Beans, kidney beans, grams, peas and urad are some of the pulses that we eat. Now you see children, the pulses are the seeds. The cereals are the grains. Okay, the cereals are the grains and pulses are seeds. Okay, do remember the difference children, because many of the children they mix up between cereals and pulses. So do remember, repeat it again and again, revise every day. Pulses are seeds and cereals are grains. Okay, remember, cereals are grains, pulses are seeds. Okay, cereals can be grinded finely to make flour. Okay, pulses are seeds that we cook and eat as it is. Yes, you see beans, kidney beans, gram and peas. Okay, these are the seeds. Okay, these we can eat as pulses. Next, coffee, tea and sugar. Yes children, we get coffee, tea and sugar also from the plants. Plants give us coffee and tea to drink. Yes, coffee is made from the seeds of coffee plant and tea is made from the leaves of the tea plants. Now coffee is made from the seeds of the coffee plant. Okay, you see coffee is made from the seeds of the plant, whereas tea is made from the leaves of the plant. Okay, now for this lesson children, you must know the parts of the plant very nicely. Okay, properly you must learn the parts of the plant. So you see coffee you get from seeds of the coffee plant and tea you get from the leaves of the tea plant. Okay, next we also get sugar from plants. Sugar is made from sugar cane. How many of you have seen sugar cane? Everybody, very good. So from those sugar canes we get sugar. Yes, they are processed in a processing machine and from there you get sugar. Okay, so remember coffee you get from seeds of the coffee plant, tea you get from leaves of the tea plant and sugar you get from sugar cane. Very good children. Once more, coffee you get from the, come on, coffee you get from seeds of the coffee plant. Very good. Tea you get from the leaves of the coffee plant and third, sugar you get from sugar cane plant. Very good. Next we will see oil and spices. Yes, now you know children, you get oil. The mummy, what oil she uses for cooking, that you get from plants. Even hair oil also you get from plants. Yes, there are castor oil, sunflower oil, mustard oil, coconut oil. Yes, there are various uses of oil. We use some to put in our hairs, some we use for cooking. Yes, so come on, let's read. We get oil from some plants. The seeds of some plants are used for making oil. Some of the plants that give us oils are castor, sunflower, mustard and coconut. Yes, the seeds of the plant. You get oil from seeds of the plant. Remember children, you get oil from seeds of the plant. Next, plants also give us spices. Yes, cinnamon, cardamom, clove, pepper, all these are spices. Yes, they are known as spices because they are very spicy in nature. Yes, when you eat them you feel they are spicy. Yes, so they are given the name spices. Okay, so remember children, oil you get from seeds of few plants that are castor, sunflower, mustard and coconut, and you also get spices from the plants. Yes, mummy, what spices she uses for cooking you get from plants. Yes, you all today your activity will be, you are going to see the spices at home. Whatever spices you are going to get, you are going to name them. Okay, you are going to ask for the spices at home to mummy and you are going to name them. Yes, next we will see dry fruits. Everybody eats in the morning, yes or no? All of you eat? Yes, come on, tell me the names of the dry fruit that you eat in the morning. Okay, almonds, cashew, pistachio, then okay, so many all eat. Yes, now all these dry fruits, you know children, you get from plants. Yes, all these dry fruits you get from plants. So every morning when you eat the dry fruits, you all remember you get these from Plants. Yes, very good. So children, at today's topic we have finished here. In part 2 we are going to do this much. So again you are going to revise part 1 and part 2. Do remember children, in part 2 there are few of the things you have to remember, that is cereals, pulses, oil and spices, tea, coffee and sugar, from where you get what, you are going to remember it nicely. In this lesson you are going to revise it every day. Yes, you are going to open the science textbook every day and you are going to go through these pictures and you are going to remember what you get from which part of the plant. Okay, so you must by heart these every day. Every day you must revise this lesson and it will be easy for you. Yes, bye children, see you in the next video.